Right off third, this whole lot chilling in the back of the track. Niggas got packs trying to get them racks.
Alright guys, well, y'all see this, send it, right? It's been sent, so now to take it apart, I'm gonna uncone it, or take the cone right off of it. So this is basically all you need. I mean, you just need a strong knife to get around the surround, to get into the spider and cut that out, and then some wire cutters basically just to you know, chop the leads off. So once you get to that point, you can easily yank out the cone. So let me just do that now. Oh, what the fuck? Alright, and then that one. So once you take the cone off, there's screws right behind there. There's little Allen heads, which end up just dropping these. But I'm gonna end up doing something different. So I'll probably do some direct leads on this next Recone. And so let's start chopping. Let's see. I'll show you guys the process. So again, knife. Make sure it's sharp. You know, change up your blade, and just go to town. I mean, yeah, it's heartbreaking to see this go like that, but we're upgrading, you know. This is the glory about the subwoofer game. So you see, nice cut. So now you get that flipped over, and then you know you'll be able to get inside by this behind the spider, which that's what we're about to do now. See if we can get in there nice and comfortable. I mean, you know, flex it. It's already goner anyway, so don't be scared of it. It's your sub, you own it. So just keep on just ripping it, rip and tear the whole way through. Stretch, put the knife in there, get around it. See, it's not too bad. Again, rip and tear, fold and tear. And yeah, you should be at that point where you get the motor out, the coil and everything. So again, I kind of figured that's what happened. Was the coil unwound, and see how much unwound. It is still attached pretty strong. Big old, I love how there's big old coils on here. So now there's your sub. That's how you you tear down the sub, get ready to recone. So the next step will be taking all the coil out. You got to make sure you get every little piece out, every single little piece out. You know, and then all this you got to grind down to bare metal. You know, don't go all crazy on it. Get a super big grinder and then start getting, you know, deep into the basket. Same thing down here on the spider. Make sure you get all this glue off of it. And same thing, you grind it down, but don't go crazy on it. But that's pretty much all it takes to take a cone out. All right, let's get going with the next. Let's see if we get all this coil out. Well, I got the coils out. Again, guys, don't make sure you clean it out as best as possible. Now, you have to get like a little, you know, handy dandy little flashlight. Oh man, you can see there's still coil all in there. So again, you gotta clean it out as best as possible. But look at the madness here. You know. So don't be shy. Get in there with some tape. Yeah, you put some tape on the stick backwards or whatever. And get in there. Not no glue, nothing crazy. Get some tape. You know, and just flip the tape inside out and just, you know, go in there with a stick. You know, get a vacuum, get an air gun, get whatever you can to get every little thing, every little piece of dirt, coil, or whatever that's in there. Get everything out. Alright, so let's continue this. And let's start cleaning this up. What madness. Poor sub. Now you bust out the big dog. course. And set you up like that.